Bearing can be defined. Start writing. Bearing can be defined as the location of a point from another point. The location of a point from another point. The location of a point from another point via their distance apart, and their angle of inclination. And their angle of what? Inclination. Now, from the definition given to you now, two things are very paramount. What are the two things? Two things. We talk about distance and what? Angle. Those are the two that are very paramount in this case. And for you to get it right here, we need to now discuss how to calculate distance. Under bearing, to calculate distance, calculation of what? Calculation of distance. How do we do that? That one, I won't dwell much into it because we have discussed that one. But we have four methods. Four methods here. The first one is trigonometrical ratio. Trigonometrical ratio. Number two here is Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Number three here is what we call sine rule. Number four is what? Cosine rule. These are the four methods used to solve any distance in what? In the bearing diagram. So these first two, trigonometric ratio and Pythagoras theorem, are used when you have a right angled triangle. A what? Right angled triangle. So here these two, you use them when you don't have non-right angled triangle. It can be scaling. Most of the time it's scaling, because if you have a equilateral triangle, you can still work around it to get a right angle triangle. If you have an isosceles triangle, you can still work around it to get a right angle triangle. But once it's scaling, there's no other thing. It's either cosine or sine rule. I believe that is clear. So we have discussed all this being discussed. So the next thing after this is to now discuss angle, and that is the bulk of the whole issue in bearing. Why should I not understand bearing? Is because they can't get the angle right. Once you're able to get the angle right, oh, simple thing. Now, have you written this before I finish? Write it now, now, now. This one is not recording anything for me. I'm going out of it. Straight. Straight. That Facebook recorded something.